What's going on, guys? This is Paul from Bearcat Warehouse. We got our new batch of SDS100s in today, and apparently they have the new battery, so I was going to open this up and give you guys a first look. Literature, manuals. Alright, so it looks a little bit bigger. Let's see here. Alright, there it is, guys. Looks a little bit bigger than the one that was out on the first couple runs, but if we have a stronger battery, that's really all that matters. Let's put the belt clip on there, take a look at that. Alright guys, well there you have it. So all the new SDS100s that you purchase will have this new battery pack on it. And all the previous customers that have the initial release version, make sure you register to get that new battery sent out to you. So as far as getting replacement batteries, we still don't have any word on that, but feel free to check back in with us and we should have more updates on that hopefully very soon. Alright guys, well hope you enjoyed this. I will catch you next time.